There was a mysterious figure called Coffee Man. Wherever he went, he left behind exceptional coffee with no trace. No one had ever seen Coffee Man, but every time he appeared, he left some coffee, a message, and a mysterious symbol. Coffee nerd Dr. G collected every clue available to find out who Coffee Man is and his secrets. At the cafe, at home, camping, from Coffee Man's traces, he can make over 60 cups of coffee in a very short time. To grind each in 30 seconds, it's impossible for a manual grinder. He must be using a portable electric grinder. After calculations, to achieve such astonishing battery life, it must be a 5,000 milliamp hour battery capable of handling heavy current loads. Dr. G also analyzed coffee grounds from different scenes. The results showed that the coarseness of the coffee grounds from Coffee Man varied by different extraction methods. It's a massive challenge for the motor to grind with different roast levels. It's especially hard for light roast, not to mention espresso. It needed to generate more than 80 kilograms per centimeter of torque, which meant developing a motor with a 70% torque boost. It's not just to install a motor to the manual grinder. With the compact top-mounted motor structure, you can grind coffee beans anytime without repeated disassembly. Hold on. It is not just a portable grinder. The uniformity of it is just as high as the professional electric grinder. But how? It spikes first, then cuts. Using a two-stage grind for better particle size control, the coffee grounds have a highly concentrated particle diameter distribution with minimal fines. It perfectly releases aromas and flavors for clean coffee taste. S2C 890 burrs were modified for particle sizes and shapes to increase sweetness. Only all-aluminum body structure with precise engineering can support this robust system stably. You can use it with a stand at home, even replace a traditional electric grinder with it. Its portable design allows you to take it anywhere and use it in every scenario without limitations. This is the story of how Milllab E01 came to be, a professional coffee grinder designed for various settings.